Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the TikTok and WeChat bans from the United States. There's been a little bit of an update and change of way things are going to happen. I'll show you guys just briefly, but I'm just going to also show you guys later on in this video how to download TikTok or WeChat after the ban if it does end up getting fully banned. But I'll show you guys there has been a little bit of an update here on CNN. This is from 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, September 20th. So originally today was supposed to be when the applications were supposed to be banned. But right now, since the deal with Oracle and Walmart has been approved by Donald Trump, we're just waiting on the Chinese government to approve the other side of the deal. But as we see right here on CNN, it's saying that it is being delayed a week. So right here, as you guys see, it says over the weekend, Trump greenlit a proposed deal from Oracle just hours before a ban on the downloads were due to take effect. The ban has now been delayed by 1 week. So that means we should be good for 1 more week for TikTok and WeChat. But like I said, I'll quickly show you guys how to download it after the ban if it does end up getting banned. So if you don't have the applications, go ahead and download them now before they're banned. But let's just say they get banned and then get removed from your device. All you have to do is go to your AppStore on your iPhone. Then you want to go up to the top right corner where your profile photo is. Click on that, click on purchased, and then you just want to search for the application here. So say if it's been deleted or you deleted it previously, you just click on not on this iPhone, and you just search for TikTok here. Otherwise, you just search for it in your all section, and then you'll be able to go ahead and re-download it. I still have it currently, but this was just in case it does get banned and then you don't have it anymore. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with giving you a little bit of an update of what's going on with TikTok and WeChat. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.